I'm David Beadle. Here's what's happening from RateAlertNow.com. 30-year mortgage rates were higher on Wednesday after a private payroll report showed fewer job losses than expected. The concern for mortgage-backed securities traders is that there will be good news about January job growth on Friday, thereby raising the specter of inflation and thus higher interest rates. The national average 30-year fixed-rate mortgage is now at 4 7/8% with 1 3/4 points, up 1/8 of a point from Tuesday for an extra cost of $125 on a $100,000 loan. The 5 1/8% rate was up 1/8 of a point to 3/8 of 1 point. Remember, 1 point is worth 1% of the loan amount. This means 1 point is $1,000 on a $100,000 loan and $2,000 on a $200,000 loan. When it comes to a 2-point loan, that represents 2% of the loan amount. This means 2 points is $2,000 on a $100,000 loan and $4,000 on a $200,000 loan. The national average 15-year fixed-rate mortgage saw the 4 1/4% rate rise to 1 5/8 points, up 1/8 of a point from Tuesday. The 4 1/2% rate is now at 1/4 of 1 point. In order for you to know when to lock your floating fixed-rate mortgage, you have to have an early warning system with immediate news on changes in current rates and points before they occur throughout every business day. That's where my Rate Alert Now service becomes essential to your rate lock strategy. I'll tell you via regular email and or mobile text messaging when current rates are about to go up, and if you act quickly, you may be able to reach your local mortgage originator by phone to lock your rate before the mortgage company becomes aware of what's going on and changes its rates. The cost of my service is less than $1 a day. January service sector activity increased slightly from the December level, but did cross from contraction into expansion, with the dividing line located at 50. Today, we will see first-time claims for weekly state unemployment benefits. Many analysts think it will head lower after spending 2 weeks at a higher level. That's what's happening. I'm David Beadle. For full details on my real-time mortgage rate alert service to help you beat the system, visit RateAlertNow.com and check back here later today for my next free mortgage rate update.